Hey everybody, welcome to a pretty fun week. It's two different tutorials that I really love, and I'm really excited to see what you come up with for. But basically, what's going to happen this week is it's really important for me as a teacher to work with you on figuring out how to follow a tutorial. Because oftentimes the program will change over years, and you kind of have to just be able to adapt and learn as you go as a designer. So what you're going to be doing this week is there are two tutorials, and it's something where each tutorial will have steps, and you'll have to take and pause the video, do the step, play the video, pause the video, do the next step, and kind of follow along. It's really important that you make these full screen. So if you click on them, you can click the YouTube link here and make them full screen so that you can see it better. Um, these two tutorials, especially the double exposure, I think will be some of the cooler images you're able to make. So making sure you find good images on Unsplash or images, even the best thing you can do is find an image that you've taken or go out and take an image. Both these will be pretty sweet. I think these are kind of things that you'll maybe want to post and share with others. But the goal here is for you to go through the process of following a tutorial because that's something that you'll carry through as a designer even after this class. Even I are in my life, I'm kind of looking continually at like, oh, how do you do that effect? Or how do you do this as a designer? So getting in the pattern and the habit of following a tutorial is something that can be really helpful. So that is what you're going for, following the tutorial. Make sure you turn in both of your works. So you would just turn in assignment, kaleidoscope effect, and then the double exposure in those two submission box. All right, good luck following your tutorials and have a great time. Honestly, it should be wonderful.